Today I'm going to start a fourth chapter, that is subtraction. Children, what is meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. For example, if there are 5 mangoes, okay, and I ask you to eat 2 mangoes, so how many mangoes will remain? Out of 5, if I eat 2, how many will remain? 3. So this is called as subtraction. Yes, subtract small number from a big number. Yes, always whenever you subtract, you have to cut the small number from the big number. Now, the number from which you subtract is called minuend. For example, children, 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So, this is called as minuend. Okay? The number from which we subtract. Now, I will take the same number. The number to be subtracted is called subtrahend 2. Here 7 is a minuend and here 2 is a subtrahend. Okay, read with me. Minuend, subtrahend. The answer is called difference. The same example again I am going to take. 7 minus 2. So this. What we got the answer here? 5. So 5 is called the difference. In addition, answer is called as sum. But in subtraction, answer is called as difference. Now, the sign of subtraction is minus, a small hyphen line. What it is read as? It is read as minus is read as minus. Okay, so first you have to write this, fill in the blanks before starting the exercise. Now I will start the exercise 4.1. Yes, solve the following subtraction problems using place value table. Yes, children. Now, 888 minus 525. So, 8 is big number. What we have to do is 5, keep in a mind, count till 8. So, after 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how many numbers? We got 3. So, write 3. Now, which number is small here? 8 or 2? 2. So, 2 keep in a mind, count till 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers I got? 6. Again here. Which number is smaller here? 5. So again what you have to do? 5 keep in a mind, count till 8. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers? 3. So what is the answer? 363. Next. In subtraction, when number is same, 0 is a game. Okay? 0, 0, 0 only you have to write. Here, whenever the top row, okay, if there is no 0, if there is a number, and down row, if there is 0, you must not worry about this 0. Straight away, that same number you have to write. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 means nothing. So when number is same in subtraction, 0 is a game. 7 minus 7, 0. Now again here. Here I have to write the answer. 50. When number is same, 0 is the game. 9 minus 9. Now, 9 minus 1. So, 1 is a small number. 1 keep in a mind. Count till 9. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, what is the answer? 8. These both are same. So, answer is same here. 880. Next, when number is same, 0 is the game. 4 minus 3. 3 is small number. Keep in a mind. Count till 4. After 3, 4. So what is the answer? 1. Which is small here? 5. So 5 keep in a mind. Count till 6. After 5, 6. So what is the answer? Only 1. 1. So what is the answer? 110. Now here. 777 minus 335. So which is smaller here? 5. 5 keep in a mind. Count till 7. After 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 2. Now again here. Which is smaller children? 3 or 7? 3. Yes. So 3 keep in a mind. Count till 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 4. Here we have a same number. So we can write the same thing. 4 only. 442. 827 minus 426. So which number is bigger here? Sorry, smaller? 6. 6 keep in a mind. Count till 7. So after 6, 7. So what is the answer? 1. Now again, when number is same in subtraction, 0 is a game. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 4. So which is smaller here? 4. 4 keep in a mind. Count till 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much you got answer? 4. So answer is 401. Now 327 minus 224. Which is smaller children here? 4. 4 keep in a mind. Count till 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 3. When number is same, 0 is the game. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2. 2 is a smaller. Okay. So 2 keep in a mind. Count till 3. After 2, 3. So 1. So what is the answer? 103. Now. 999 minus 222. So 2 is smaller here. 2 keep in mind. Count till 9. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. And this is a very easy for you because all the numbers are same. So need not waste the time here. Now 710 minus 510. In subtraction, when number is same, 0 is the game. 1 minus 1, same number, so 0 is the game. 7 minus 5. 5 keep in a mind. Count till 7. 6, 7. So what is answer? 2. So what is answer totally? 200. Okay. Now 806 minus 304. 6, 4. Which is smaller here? 4. So 4 keep in a mind. Okay. Count till 6. After 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? 2. When number is same, 0 is the game. 8 minus 3. 3 keep in a mind. Count till 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally I got 5. So what is the answer? 502. Now, very easy question. When number is same, 0 is the game. When number is same, 0 is the game. When number is same, 0 is the game. 9 minus 9. You have to cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much you remain at home? At the hand? 0. 7 minus 7? 0. 3 minus 3? 0. Now, 682 minus 471. 2 minus 1? 1 keep in a mind. Count till 2. After 1, 2. 1. 8 minus 7. 7 is a small number, so keep in a mind. Count till 8. After 7, 1, 8. 1. 6 minus 4. 4 is smaller number. 4 keep in a mind. Count till 6. After 4, 5, 6. So answer is 211. And here it is zeros. Last question, children. 580 minus 160. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 6. 6 keep in a mind. Count till 8. After 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 2. 5 minus 1. Okay. So 1 keep in your mind. Count till 5. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? 4. So what is the total answer? 420. In next class I am going to teach you third main and fourth main. Thank you, children.